What's up? What's up? What's going on, everybody? What's happening? What's happening? Just wanted to jump on live really quickly. You guys know that's been following me. We're going to be going live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, I will say this, because I told y'all that my kid has baseball, so I've been trying to shift stuff around. So here's the deal. I'm going to go live at around 5 o'clock. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 5 o'clock. That's the best thing, okay? Hey, who's here? Let me know who's here, guys. Looking at the comments over there. What's up? What's up? All right. We're going to start off something good. I don't know if somebody jumped off and on, but they're missing out. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening, guys. Hey, so welcome to the Trade Zone. I'm Jeff Moore, published author, professional trader. Been trading for 15 years. And I host a school of about 2,000 students. And I just wanted to say, hey, thanks so much, guys, for joining it. Hopefully, y'all been enjoying my videos. I'm really picking up the YouTube pace, right? Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 5 o'clock. Tuesday, so tomorrow I'm going to post my training video at about 6 o'clock. And then Thursday, I do a video review. Y'all seem to like the last video review, so that's cool. All right, so what I want to start off with is talk about 3 trades that we took in class, and let's kind of go from there. So you guys know that follow me. This class or this account is $50,000. Okay, my Options Elite University, I have a lot of students that have around this size of portfolio. It does us no good to trade $1 million when nobody in my damn class has $1 million. That's dumb. So what we do is we have a $50,000 account, and we risk, strategically based on the different strategies. So one of the things that we trade is the MES. Let's go ahead and look at this today, okay? The MES. Now, this is the micro S&P 500. Because this account is smaller, if we trade the ES, guys, and y'all might hear some noise screaming, but what's up, Eric? What's up, Steven? What's happening? Do me a favor, guys. Smash that heart button, too. Let YouTube know this bad boy works. All right, so, and you just got here. So I'm going to show you 3 trades that we took in class, and I'm going to show you what happened, okay? Yeah, I hope you're doing well. So the MES, and the reason why we trade the MES is because the MES, let me move my drawn items over here. The MES is $5 per point, okay? The S&P 500 is $50 a point. So if we're trading a smaller account, $50 a point, it just doesn't do it. Because here's the thing. I don't trade $50,000 into futures. I trade a smaller amount. And that smaller amount, again, I need to go down to the micro. So we trade the MES. Now, I have students that do trade the ES, but let me show you the trade that we took today, okay? So I'm going to go into the 3-minute chart. I look at the 3-minute chart. I look at other stuff, okay? But I do look at the 3-minute chart. I trade the MES pretty much every day, right? Unless there's no setup. But let me back it out. Working via my phone. That's good, my man. Hey, glad you're here, Eric. Glad you're here, brother. Keep spreading the word. I really appreciate it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the MES. Let me make it where y'all can see it. Remember, $5 a point. Now, I have a lot of levels drawn on this chart. In my school, in my live coaching, every day we mark off the major support and resistance areas. I have them color-coded. I color-code them to blue, orange, and purple. Blue, orange, and purple. Plus, I have this 30-minute range. So one of the things that I discuss with my students every day is you need to mark the major levels. Do it in the morning. Get it over with. So when the market opens up, you can just focus. So here's the trade that we took today. Okay, now, so it opened up. It pulled back into a flag. This is one of my favorite trades in the world. Came down. Now, I kind of jumped the gun. Just so you know, I jumped the gun and got in a little bit early, but it still paid off really well. So what happened was the green line on the Forecast Pro came out of the upper zone. So whenever the green line is above the 50 and angled down, it's weak. It's bullish, but it's a weak bullish, okay? But it's still bullish. And as long as that 50 is above, or the green is above the 50, I'm cool. So what happened was it opened out of the gate, right, bouncing around, and this is the 3 minute, bouncing around like a maniac, okay? Then what happened was it broke down through one of my major levels, but it traded back up through it. I got in, I'm going to show y'all right now, I got in right here. So what happened was the short-term momentum broke back above. I actually got into it earlier. I kind of jumped the gun. I mean, it worked out fine. So I got in on, it was already heading up. And I set my stop loss like 5 points. So what happened was the next candle started to go down. I'm like, God dang it, right? Here we go. But we already position size to lose what we wanted to lose. So then what happened was it kind of based, right? Formed a bullish harami inside bar. Then this blue line shot up through the 50, which is good. And then the ready aim fire came in later. So the Forecast Pro actually precedes the purple arrow. So I'm looking good now, right? So we got a momentum and then bam, it exploded. It breached long. So I rode this bad boy. Okay, and I'm going to show you the trade here in a second. So we're going to look at it. MES. So let's just look today, because I trade it like every day. So we got in at right there, 4514. And remember, this is $5 a point. But if you're trading the ES, it's $50 a point. And we light this up every day inside the alerts group. Okay, one of my students clears 100 points almost, you know, every couple of days, and he trades the ES. But look, we got in at 4514, and then we got out at 4528. So that is 14 points per contract. So we did 2. So we squeezed out 28 points. Now, at $5 a point, that's like $140 ish. Hey, that's good, because a lot of my students, they have a goal for $100 to $300 a day on the day trades. I'm not talking about the squeeze trades and all that. I'm just talking about the day trades. Okay. So I hit my goal for today because we have that goal. So let's go back and take it. And that was, I mean, it was beautiful. It was simple. It was clean. It was easy. What more do you want, right? So we got in the flag. We wrote it up. Now, we could have made a lot more, but what happened was it went up, got into a squeeze, so it pulled back, chopped. I put my stop loss up there. I have a specific rule that allows me to just follow the trade. And if you noticed, it didn't do crap. It literally went sideways. And actually, when it dumped down here, it stopped me out for the 28 points. But look, all day today, look what happened. After that move in the morning, which we took advantage of, it did crap. Nothing. So that's a trade that we took today. We took it today. We analyzed it in class as it was happening. So when I was in class teaching, we were watching it, right? So that's that trade. Now, let me show you another trade that we profited out of today. It's Facebook. Now, I want to show you this. I have a specific strategy that is a 30-minute squeeze credit spread strategy. So what I do is when I have permission, because again, I'm all about rules, right? I don't just wing crap, man. I don't believe in that shit. So what I do is I follow a specific set of rules, right? Whenever this happens, you can do this. So the market told me, based on my guidelines, I could trade bull put spreads. And I told you guys a couple, like last week, when I was taking it. I told all of you in the live. And for those of you that just joined, hey, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Hit that little bell so you can get notified when I go live, because I'm going to go live around 5 o'clock. That's based on baseball practice. That's when to do. My kid plays. I was a professional baseball player. I don't know if you guys know it, but I actually played professional baseball for the Atlanta Braves back in the days. So that was back in the days. I'm 46 now, but I played professional baseball when I was in my 20s. I don't know if y'all knew that. And I was good. I got hurt. And I would have probably been one of the best baseball players like ever. Okay? Probably, had I not got hurt. But anyway, that's me reminiscing on the baseball, right? Let me know, guys. So anyway, based on my posture, and I'm not going to go into this here. I teach it specifically in my class. In my class. So I took Facebook. Let me show you Facebook. And I'm going to show you, we got out of it today. It was like a 5-day trade. So we got into Facebook here. It was a nice squeeze. It was a nice squeeze. We had this cluster dot. The momentum, now I'm not looking at it, but the 2-hour momentum was up. That's one of my filters. So the 2-hour momentum needs to be up. We need to be in a 30-minute squeeze. It needs to be, it needs to be clean, right? You guys know what clean squeezes are. Clap. So I took this trade, credit spread. This is one of my favorite strategies. It's a 30-minute squeeze credit spread strategy. Bull put spread, right? Bull put spread. I do bear calls as well, but this is a bull put. So if you notice, we got in here. We got targeted out today. Let me show you. So Facebook. We were in that trade for like 5 days. So here you go. So we got into it on 8/26. We sold. Remember, this account is a $50,000 account. So we have to, we're not going to be putting no $1 million at risk. Like I said earlier, that's stupid. What we're going to do is we're going to be realistic, right? We're going to allocate a certain amount of money for certain trades. So I risk on this account $500 per trade. Hey, that's no problem, right? That's manageable for this account. So what we do is, in this credit spread, I sold 2. I got 60 cents credit. And again, don't get hung up on the amount of contracts. Some of you might trade bigger accounts. Maybe you do 20. I don't know. But just look at the trade, right? So 60 cents was the credit. But I had everything, man. I had the market telling me that it was the best time to trade this strategy. I got in this on a squeeze. I got in it with the momentum on the 2-hour positive. I sold it as a technical and a probability. I have specific rules. This strategy is like 80%, guys. So we sold it for 60, and look, we bought it back today for 30. So do the math. 50% gain within 4 days. So I have a rule that if I get 50% within a certain period of time, see ya. Take your money and run to the bank, right? Or in this case, not run to the bank, but run and go put it in another trade. So 50%, which is good. And again, don't get hung up on the amount of money. Because again, we're only risking, actually, we're not even risking $500 because, you guys know how to calculate. Take the credit minus the width of the strike. That's what you're really risking, okay? Who's here, guys? I said we have 9 people. Let me know. I'm going to show you another trade. Y'all like Tesla? Let me show you Tesla. Tesla. All right. So here we go. Now, just look at the 30-minute, okay? So here's what happened. The market told me it's time to take micro trades. I call the 30-minute trade a micro trade. That's just what my brain processes. Micro trade. Again, based on the market posture. You guys know that follow me. The market posture is the key. And I'm not just saying, hey, the market's up. That's not what I'm talking about. There's certain things that we use that tell us, hey, it's time to take squeeze trades. Hey, it's time to buy call options. Hey, it's time to do 30-minute credit spreads. So that's what I did. So if you look at Tesla, I got in right here, right? Beautiful squeeze. Beautiful squeeze. It was actually an orange squeeze, right? High compression. Looked great. The 2-hour momentum, which you can't see, was up. So the momentum was up on the 2-hour. The market told me it's time to take 30-minute trades. I took this trade right there. Today, I got targeted out. And I think we did this like in the live. Now, I didn't make the little box, but look at this. We got in here. Let me show you. Tesla. So Tesla, we did it on 825, which was right there. Cool. We sold it today. So we got $1.25. Remember, we're risking 500. Realistic. We're not doing $1 million. Again, that's stupid. If you ain't got $1 million, what good is that going to do you? But guess what? I have a lot of students that have between 30 and 50,000 bucks. So they like this. Do you need 50,000? No, you don't need 50. We can trade Forex with $1,000. I mean, I grew my Forex account from $1,000 to about $700,000. You can do it. Okay. So you don't need this $1 million fucking portfolio. And again, I wouldn't have you trade with $1 million anyway. So anyway, going back to 825, we got $1.25. So we were risking 375 to make $1.25. We're risking 500 bucks. So today we bought it back for 60 cents. So we bought it back for 50% within 4 days or 5 days. It was beautiful. And I mean, we have other trades right now that are working that are up 50, not 50%, 30%, 40%. We have a lot, okay? Because the market, and if you go back to the market, I'll show you guys. Let's back up to the market, okay? And let me know who's here. Let me know if you guys, again, tomorrow I'm going to do my video. It's going to be good. So make sure y'all have that little bell. And then Thursday, oh, I'm going to do a video review on Thursday, guys. It's going to be good. You guys like it. Let's go back to the daily. So here's the SPX, right? Today, the market was up 19, pretty flat. Now, I'm going to show you something really quick. All right. But I wanted to show you guys those 3 trades because those are 3 trades that we took in class and we targeted out. So I'm going to show you guys. Trading. Okay. Trading, it's not hard. It's not hard. Do I mean that you're not going to lose money? No, that's not what I'm saying. Of course you're going to lose money. But trading is all about following a specific set of rules and guidelines. So you got to ask yourself, what are your rules and guidelines? Do you have them written down? If you got them in your head, it means nothing. You got to put them on paper, guys. Write down your rule set. For example, I give away for non-members to my school, I give away my bullish breakout trading plan. Down below in the description, you can see it. The rules are there, but it's the breakout trading plan. I give all my other trading plans to my students. And then for those that are in my live coaching, we actually trade them pretty much like every day. So here we go. A couple of things that we're going to be paying attention. Number one is the market was up again today. Hey, that's cool, right? That's cool. It wasn't up much, but it's just grinding. You had this squeeze. Momentum shifted up a couple of days ago. You got the red aim fire line. That's good. You've got the green in the upper zone, so we are strong bullish. Strong bullish. Now, the other day, this micro momentum was down in the tank. That's when we took our 30-minute squeeze trades. Okay, so every day, the most important thing to me, other than trading the futures, because I love trading the futures, and we do that if there's a setup every day. Like today, we made 150 bucks. Hey, that's perfect. Our goal is $100 to $300 a day. I mean, what if you can make just an extra $300 a day just trading the futures? I'm not talking about your squeeze trades, your flags. We're talking about futures. That's it. So here's the deal. The momentum was down there, and I was doing this live, and I told y'all, now's the time to go put on a bunch of micro trades. And we did. And we've already got targeted out of 5 in 5 days, actually in less than 5 days. And we got 3 more that we're already up 40%, 39%, 28%. They're close. Okay? They're close. There's a time and a place to put on trades, and there's a time and a place just to back off. Okay. It's not about just putting on trades every second of the day. You're not a trader if you do that. That's not what it's about. Many people think because they put on trades every day, they're a trader. They're like, I'm a trader. No, you ain't no trader. How's it working out? I'm not talking about you guys, but a lot of people that I know, how's it working out? How's it working out? Are you consistently making money every week, every month? If you're not, what's the problem? What's the problem? There's probably just a couple small tweaks, that if you just made those tweaks, it's over. It's over. You're probably doing almost everything right, but one little thing, and I bet you, again, you don't have to hire me, but you know, my students, that's the way they are. One little baby tweak, it is over. Okay, you're just one setup away. But again, it goes beyond that. So really quick, because I don't have many setups today. I couldn't find any, to be honest with you. Plus, I got baseball practice I got to leave to in a minute. But a couple things before we leave. Thank y'all for being here. One, do me a favor, you're not subscribed, subscribe. Spread the word, man. I see so many channels with like 100,000 subscribers, and their videos are a joke. Help, help me, right? Help me, right? So anyway, really quick, I'm going to leave y'all with this. So what are we looking for? So here we go. We're obviously in an uptrend, but pay attention, guys. We're at a high. We're at a high. So whenever, again, what's the definition of an uptrend? Higher highs, higher lows. We could pull back in any day. We could pull back in any day. So what we want to do is we want to have some type of filter that says, hey, we're not allowed to trade until this. That's important. You don't think it is. It's everything. What time zone am I in? Central. I'm in Texas. I'm in Texas, man. The great state of Texas. Central Standard Time, Kurt. So I'm going to go live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5 o'clock around. Tuesday at 6 o'clock, I'm going to post my video, my training video. Thursday at 6 o'clock, I'm going to post a video review. For those of you in my school, I teach live classes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9:30 Central Standard Time to about 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. I record all the classes, but you have to be in my live coaching. And you can't get in my live coaching unless you buy my school, which is, I don't charge much. I should charge like 50 million times more, but I don't. It's worth like way more than that. But the school, and then Forex, I do Forex Saturdays. Forex on Saturdays. I have a Forex school as well. And Forex is, I love trading Forex. So anyway, right now, I'm not excited about going to put on a bunch of squeeze trades. No, I'm not. I'm going to focus on trading the futures right now. And then, as a matter of fact, the micro momentum's up here. So I'm going to look for bear call spreads on the 30-minute. That's what I'm going to look for, right? When the market's at an extreme, and it, you know, I'm not saying it's going to reverse, but, you know, hey, take a breather, pull back to the mean. You guys go trade some smaller time frames like bear call spreads on the right setups. You're going to crush it. You're going to be mixing it up, right? And so it's one of the things that when it's up here, I look for bear call spreads. When it's down here, I look for bull put spreads. That's not very hard. And then I let this blue line dictate when I'm going to trade the squeeze, when I'm going to trade bull flags. And I don't deviate from that. Okay? It's about being a sniper, not a machine gun. You don't just put on trades every day and hope everything's going to work out. It doesn't work like that. It's being very strategic. Less is more. Better entries, better probabilities, and you will win more. You will lose less and you will win more, and that is a fact. Too many beginning traders, they just want to keep putting on trades. It doesn't work unless you're doing credit spreads and you're just throwing on probabilities. But I think a lot of you probably trade call options, right? I do, but I let the market tell me what to do. All right. Hey, everybody, I got to go to baseball. I just wanted to say I really appreciate y'all. I wish my channel had 1 million people. I wish I had 1 million subscribers like some of these other channels. Shit, just give me 10,000 subscribers, bro. Okay? No, the Forecast Pro is mine, and I'm still finishing up a couple touches, and then I'm going to launch it to the public. You will not find the Forecast Pro. It's a version of the market forecast, but on steroids, okay? So it's the Forecast Pro. It's my indicator. I'm going to make it available in about 1 month. I'm adding some more stuff, and then I'm going to do some training videos on it. It's going to freak you out, but it's not available for sale right now. It's my indicator, not Simpler's. Nobody's going to have what we have, but I'm going to teach on it, okay? It'll become available 1 month. Now, the Ready, Aim, Fire Pro, Squeeze Pro, obviously that's simpler. But here's the deal. And again, I know it's like a broken record, but if you're new to my channel and you don't have those indicators, they are good. The Squeeze Pro is a must. If you use my link down below, I am going to hook you up with several bonuses. I'm going to give you these custom columns. And last week, go back to my video on Friday. I went through those columns teaching you how to use it. I'm going to give it to you for free. I'm going to give you the stack EMA code. It's just a sticker, but hey, it lets you know when it's uptrending. I'm going to give it to you for free. I'm also going to give you this code, brand new. This one. This tells you it's a very easy visual to let you know when the trend is stacked. So yes, I got this sticker, but I can already look right here and say, oh, these are stacked, okay? The blue is above the red, above the pink. Stacked, stacked. It's just, look, it's actually a beautiful squeeze. GBP CAD, right? It's Forex. So I'm going to give you that for free. I'm not Simpler Trading, but I am affiliated. You help me, I help you. You need the indicator anyway. Get the indicator. Use my link. You save a little bit of money too, by the way. Not much, but a little bit. But I'm going to give you an indicator where, I'm going to give you that crap. My course, I have a free course and a paid course. If you get my paid course, I also have an opportunity to get the coaching. You think this is good? I go in more in depth than any trading room you have out there. That is a promise. Okay? And I'll let you know because the Forecast Pro is going to, oh my God, but it's not just that. It's how we teach it. Okay? So check down below for all that good stuff. That's what I got. So be on the lookout tomorrow for my training video about 6 o'clock. I think I'm going to talk about support. I don't know exactly what I'm talking about, but I think I have an idea. And then we'll go back live 5 o'clock, right? And if you have any questions, just email me or message me. Okay? You help me, I help you, right? That's the way it goes. Hey, everybody, thanks for being here. I got to run. I got to go to baseball. You'll have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow in a training video, and we'll see you live Wednesday, 5 o'clock. Peace.